was low-key gonna zoom this for the GoPro.
What?
I was low-key gonna zoom this for the GoPro. I forgot my gloves though. It's fine. I'm probably gonna zoom this. Remember, there's a hill at the end. It's not too bad. It's a little curvy. Pretty fun. Yeah, it's fine. We'll be in the middle. All right. Mosquito. All right. I have no gloves on, but let's do this. 3, 2, 1, go. I really need my gloves. A little wet too. For a reason. It's really muddy, otherwise I usually go a little bit faster. So now with that little jump right here. It's so muddy outside. Another bunny. Fun. You gotta see this footage, dude. I was sick. What's up? You saw it?
Yeah.
Oh, that was so fun. I really wish I had gloves, but that was good, huh? I got a better grip. You start sweating a little bit, and then when branches hit your arms, it kind of hurt without gloves. Yeah, see, I could do a wheelie. No, it's too muddy. That was fun though. Well, I'll make that a little shorter video. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'm kind of low on gas. Stay tuned for my top speed video with this GoPro. I can finally hit top speed without it being shady, me recording with my one hand. I always wanted to kind of hit that trail and record it. It's my one of my favorite trails to hit around here. Check out the other videos with the Hawk DD DLX X Pro 250 EFI Amazon special. Until next time, peace.